Today, I'm going to show you how to create long videos with perfect character consistency using a Grok AI that is completely free and unlimited. And the best part, you can also do this on your mobile. The process is exactly the same. Let's dive in. As soon as we arrive on our computer screen, the very first thing we need to create any kind of video is the story. Now, for the story generation, you have options. You can use ChatGPT, or if you prefer, you can use Gemini. The process is going to be exactly the same for both. You can use whichever tool you are more comfortable with. Personally, I prefer using Gemini for this. So, I have opened Gemini here. I'm going to give it a prompt. Write a short story in Disney style. I've specified that there should be 2 characters, and the story length should be approximately 60 seconds. You can see here, Gemini has generated the entire story for me very quickly. Now, to take this further and create visuals, I ask it to give me visual prompts for this story. And keep in mind, the prompts should be connected to the previous ones so that the flow runs smoothly. And I need 12 prompts. The reason is that Grok creates 5-second clips. So, to make a 1-minute video, we need 12 prompts. As you can see, it has provided me with all 12 prompts. Now, what I will do is simply copy the very first prompt from this list. I'll open a new tab in my browser and search for Grok. I want to mention that Grok is currently completely free to use, and it is unlimited, which is fantastic. I am going to show you the entire method, step by step. If you look over here at the sidebar on the left, you will see the Imagine option. If you click on that, it gives you the prompt bar right at the bottom. However, if you don't see it there for some reason, you can also simply click on the Create Image button right here on the home page, and it will take you to the exact same place. So this is the prompt bar where we are going to enter our text. You will notice there are 2 distinct options here, one for video and one for image. You can also see the aspect ratios listed here. You can select whatever ratio fits your project's needs. You have the choice to generate a video directly from the text, or you can choose to generate an image first. I am going to simply select the image option for now. I'll paste the prompt I copied, and it will immediately start generating our image. It usually provides quite a few variations. Typically, the first 3 or 4 results are excellent. I'm looking at them now. I really like this third result. It looks perfect for our style. So I will go ahead and select this one. Once you have clicked on the image to select it, you will see some options appear at the bottom. You need to click on Make a Video. Here, we simply paste that exact same image generation prompt again to guide the animation. You will see there are some video presets available that you can check out. But for this specific video, I am not going to select any of them. I've pasted the prompt. And now I will simply hit the Make Video button. It is going to take just a few seconds to process. Okay, the video is ready. This is the result. Check it out. It looks great. Now, this is where the main game actually begins. The challenge of how to keep the characters consistent. Now, I need to go and copy the next visual prompt from our list. Before I do the right method, I want to give you a quick reality check of what happens if you do it the normal way. If I simply copy the next prompt and paste it here directly, let me show you an example of what goes wrong. Do you see this result? None of these new pictures match our previous image or our previous video characters at all. Let me give you a more detailed example so you understand. I'll open this one, and I'll follow the same process. I'll select the image, I'll feed it the animation prompt, and I'll ask it to generate the video. Now, let's look at the result it gives. Okay, the video is ready. I will download this specific clip, and I will also download the very first frame video we made earlier. And I'm going to bring both of them into CapCut to show you the difference. I have imported them both here into the timeline. I'll just quickly adjust the settings so I can clearly show you what I am talking about. Now, just focus on the transition point. Watch this. Do you see that? As soon as the video moves from the first frame to the next frame, it does not look natural in the slightest. It looks very strange. The characters change, and the vibe breaks. So, to fix this, we go back to the very first video we generated. We need to pause the video and scrub the player right to the very end, to the last second. Then, right-click on the video and find the option that says Copy Video Frame. Click that to copy it. Now, go back to the prompt bar at the bottom and simply paste that frame there. The special thing about Grok is that as soon as you paste a frame, it automatically triggers the video generation process. As you can see, I just pasted the frame, and it has already started making a video on its own. This is the result it generated automatically. However, this automatic animation is not what we want because it's not following our script. So, what you have to do is select the image option again at the bottom, so it recognizes the frame as a starting image. Then, go and copy the prompt for your next visual scene. Come back here and paste it into the text box. Now, it will start generating the video again, but this time using our prompt. See, the video is created. Now let's check the result. In this specific clip, you can clearly see that the transition from the end of the first frame to the start of this second frame is completely smooth and seamless. I want to give you a practical proof of this, just like before. I will download this new video clip exactly like I did with the previous one. I'll select both the first clip and this new consistent clip and bring them into CapCut. I'll drag and drop them onto the timeline here. Same process as before. Let me demonstrate. You need to watch very closely how these two frames, these visuals, interact with each other and how a natural transition is formed between them. Check this out right now. Did you see that? It looks completely natural, as if it's one continuous shot. Now, we just continue this chain. In the same way, you pause this current video, drag the slider to the very end, right-click and select Copy Video Frame.